Good morning, my love, and welcome to this guided morning meditation for positive energy and starting your day with the right mindset. So sit up and close your eyes. Then breathe slowly and deeply, breathing into your belly and allowing your belly to expand with each breath you take. Then breathe out fully, releasing tiredness and drowsiness from your body and mind. Breathing in positive healing air and breathing out tension from your body and worries from your mind. Breathing in deeply and breathing out fully. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, breathing in your own pace and rhythm and following the flow of your body. Life, what an amazing thing. Living with passion and living with excitement. Starting each day with a sense of purpose and a sense of direction, with the goal to have an amazing day, a day filled with joy, with happiness, and with love. So choose to have an amazing day. Choose to wake up with a purpose, a goal to let your heart be open, ready to give and receive love, and ready to be present. 'Cause life is truly a gift to be cherished, and a gift to be enjoyed. To look at your life as an opportunity. Each morning is a new opportunity to meet someone new, to share a deep moment with someone, to laugh, to love, and to grow. So don't let this moment pass without fully experiencing it, 'cause this day will never come again. Today will never return. And what you do with this moment is up to you. So why not make the most of it? Why not choose to have an amazing day? To wake up feeling great? To step outside your door feeling excited? And to step out into the world feeling happy? Today will be a great day. A day of unforgettable moments. I choose to have an extraordinary day. I choose to be happy. And I choose to live. Now take a moment to visualize yourself having the most exciting day. See yourself being happy, filled with joy, and enjoying each moment. So go through your day in your mind and create the perfect day. See yourself experiencing all the things you want to experience. Visualize a day filled with so much love as you meet new people and connect with the people who are already in your life. So choose the type of day you want to have and make the image clear in your mind. Then take a deep breath. And then slowly open your eyes. Now start your day feeling great, realizing how precious life is, and not a moment should be wasted. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please help support my channel on Patreon or by joining my membership by clicking the join button under this video. Thank you so much for all of your kindness and generosity. I am jbittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.